All of us know what rubber is. We see rubber tires. We play games with rubber balls. We wear rubber shoes during the rainy season. We also use sometimes small pieces of rubber to erase mistakes in writing. Rubber is an interesting substance. It changes its shape when we press it. As soon as we stop pressing it, it springs back to its first shape. We therefore say that rubber is elastic. It bounces too. When we throw a rubber ball on the ground, it bounces. Rubber is also waterproof. We call a thing waterproof when water cannot get through it. These qualities have made rubber very useful in modern life. We get rubber from rubber trees. These trees give a milk white juice. It is obtained by cutting the bark of the trees. The juice that comes out is gathered in cups. These cups are attached to the trees. Rubber trees grow only in countries where it is very hot. So it was in these countries that people searched for rubber trees. In recent years, a number of successful attempts have been made to produce alternative for rubber. Plastic products are fast replacing rubber products. They are popular because plastic is cheaper than rubber and is often brightly colored. However, pencil, erasers, balls, tires, and many other things are still made of rubber. So, rubber will be very useful to us for a long time to come. Stop.